Oh, he was sleeping. The bird was just sleeping. We just came to bring him into the garage. Yeah, you got him. It's Olive. That's her name.
Hi, Olive.
Huh, that's cute. She was sleeping there. Oh, look, she took a crap on this bread.
Oh, that's gross.
Alright. Alright, we're gonna film her all night. Olive, you're too cute. Like my art, Olive.
Can I hold her?
Here. I can get this right here. Come on. Come on,
Okay,
Olive. You're a good bird. She's a very nice bird.
It's cute.
She was just trying to stay warm.
It's hungry.
Keep her right in front of you so it can keep filming.
Yeah, she's hungry.
She's got bread. Alright, here, put her in here. So that we can build her a little paper towel mess so she can stay warm during the night.
That's hard.
It's alright. Birds eat stale bread.
Yeah.
Like this. No, like this. Don't.
Where were you putting the bed?
All I'm doing is making one right now. All I do is get a whole bunch of paper towels. Squish them up, and then you go like this. And we'll even give it a little cozy. Don't put her in yet. Not like that. Well, yeah, we're gonna need a hole in there. Like, go like. Don't get her yet.
Don't get her yet? Okay.
We don't have a bed in there yet.
I know, she's gonna hold her.
Well, I need the camera to stay on her right now. Okay, let's get this.
Oh, she's got yellow on her.
Yeah, chickadee. Finch thingy.
Olive, it's okay.
Okay, let's see. Look at that.
Oh.
Cute little box chest.
Put another paper towel in.
Yeah, keep it extra warm. Fold it in half. Tuck it in.
Will she be able to have enough room?
Oh yeah, just
Let's set her in there.
hang on, let me get the camera.
Come here, Olive.
There.
Nice and cozy.
She's nice and snug and cozy then.
Here, you want a headband to put her?
And then we'll feed her in the morning. So let's get some bread chunks that haven't been crapped on yet. Yeah, rip off some of the corner pieces. Or should we just get her some fresh bread?
We should get her some fresh.
Alright, you want to go in there or just wash her with the camera? I'll go get the bread.
Okay, here, I'll set this right here. Little blanket. Oops, sorry, Olive.
Keep her house extra warm. Just keep the...
Olive, Olive, can you see? Olive, what are you doing? sweet. You all snug and tight? Here's some bread. We are such good parents.
Look at her, she's so cute. Okay, Olive. That's enough, because we'll feed her in the morning. That's good.
Say goodnight, Olive.
Keep focused on her.
Bye.